up, boys and girls? Today, the question that I'm getting a lot of concern on is number 7. And so I think I'm going to do number 7 for you. It says a nickel is 1/20th of a dollar. If Jose trades $6 bills for an equal number of nickels, how many nickels will he get? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles. So, the way you divide fractions or anything, whatever you're dividing, you have to figure out what is it that you are dividing up. What are you separating out into equal groups? Whatever you're dividing up, that is the first number in your equation. And if you're doing old-timey division, that is the number that goes inside your box. It's called your dividend. But so let's think about it. They're saying that a nickel is 1/20th of a dollar. But Jose doesn't have 1/20th of a dollar. He has $6 bills, which means he has 6 whole dollars. And he wants to know how many nickels he can get out of $6 bills. $6. So the question is asking, and they tell you a nickel is 1/20th of a dollar bill. You should know that because a dime is 1/10. A dime is 1/10 of a dollar bill, and a nickel would need double that. You need 20 to make a dollar. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So 1/20th is a nickel. And so what Jose's doing, he has $6. He wants to know how many nickels, 1/20ths, can he get out of $6. And this is your problem. The first number tells you what you're dividing up. Your second number tells you what you're trying to get out of the first number. How many nickels can I get out of $6? And by the way, if you're doing this way, 5/100ths is equal to 5/100ths. And then we simplify. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 20 is 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We factor out our 5s, and that's how we get 5/100ths, or a nickel, is equal to 5/100ths. And 5/100ths is simplified to 1/20th. But they tell us that right up front in the problem. So I have the problem $6 divided by 1/20th. How many 1/20ths can I get out of $6? Now, I'm first going to think, how many nickels can I get out of $1? Well, it already tells us 20. 20/20ths is 1 whole. So in $1, I'm going to get 20/20ths. $2, I'm going to get 40/20ths. $3, 60/20ths. $4, 80/20ths. $5, 100/20ths. And $6, I'm going to get 120/20ths. Sorry, you can't see that. There you go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. Now, I want to go ahead and do the regular algorithm like we've been doing, so we don't forget how to do it. We use a little term called keep, change, flip. You always put your whole number over 1 when you're multiplying or dividing fractions. We keep our first fraction, Kentucky Chicken Fried. Keep the first, change the sign, flip the second. Top times top, 6 times 2 is 12. Pop my 0 on the back. 1 times 1 is 1. And there's my answer, 120. Now, I even had somebody say, I don't know how to bubble in 120. 120 is a whole number. 120 divided by 1, your answer is 120. That is a whole number. There is no decimal in 120. So, right here is your decimal point. 120, your 0 is in the ones place. Your 2 is in the tens place. Your 1 is in the hundreds place. And then remember, if you don't have it bubbled correctly at this time of the year, you get it wrong. Your answer is 120. You can get 120 nickels out of $6. So good luck. I hope that helps.